Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Science City, by Siddiqui. Our today's topic is state of matter. Matter is made up of particles. It exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter is due to different arrangements of particles of matter. In solid state, particles are tightly attached to each other, therefore, it has definite shape and volume. In liquid, particles are loosely attached to each other, therefore, it doesn't have definite shape but have definite volume. Liquid take the shape of container, in which it is kept. In gaseous state, particles are far away. Therefore, it has neither definite shape nor definite volume. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.